Yes. Hello everyone. Let us talk about Hatha Yoga for YCB exams level 1, 2 and 3. So what we will learn in Hatha Yoga is the introduction, asanas, pranayam, mudras, samadhi. These four are the four chapters in Hatha Yoga. Number 1 is asanas, number 2 is pranayam, number 3 is mudras and 4th is samadhi. So what are the contents in Hatha Yoga? Ha means sun and Tha means moon. So we will learn about introduction to Hatha Yoga, the science of Hatha Yoga, aims and objectives, Hatha Yoga Parampara, system of Hatha Yoga text and Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Then coming to introduction, Hatha means willful or forceful. It involves tremendous willpower and determination. Hatha Yoga comes from two bija mantras, Ha and Tha. So Ha means sun and Tha means moon. In our language, we can say Ha means to hot and Tha means to cold, thanda, that is cold. So it is related to moon. Hatha Yoga is the balancing of these two energy systems. The science of Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is more body oriented, preparing the ground for reaching higher states of consciousness and final goal of Unmani Avastha, that is no mind state, or Mano Unmani Avastha, that is mind without mind state. Hatha Yoga practice starts with Shodhana Kriyas and move on to asanas, pranayam, bandhas, mudras and meditation. So system of Hatha Yoga consists of main aim. Main aim is the ultimate aim of Hatha Yoga is self-realization or moksha. And Hatha Yoga lineage, it is said that Shri Adinath Bhagwan, that is Shiva, gave to Matsyendranath and from him to Gorakshanath and from him to Yogi Swatmaram, which we read. His book of Yogi Swatmaram's book is Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Hatha Yoga text, Hatha Yoga Pradipika, written by Yogi Swatmaram, Gheranda Samhita by Gheranda Muni, Hatha Ratnavali by Srinivas Bhatt, and Shiva Samhita. It is said to be a discussion between Shiva Bhagwan and Parvati. Important features of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. The Hatha Pradipika, also called as Hatha Yoga Pradipika, is an important and one of the most influential texts of the Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga Vidya is also known as Chaturanga Yoga as it contains 4 chapters. Asanas, there are 15 postures described here. Pranayam, there are 8 kumbhakas. Mudras, 10 mudras have been described and 4 stages of Nada Anusandhan. Chapter 1, Asana. Hatha is the basis acting like a tortoise, kurma. Hatha Yoga is the process through which body becomes like a tortoise, so that external form is not the breeding place of disease and disharmony, but rather a protective covering. Also in this chapter we learn about sadhana, sadhya, sadhaka and siddhis. In Sanskrit, the word sadhana means to practice, and hence the practitioner is known as sadhaka. What he practices is known as sadhana. The object of practice is known as sadhya, and when the sadhana has matured, the results which are accomplished are known as siddhis. According to Raja Yoga, it means perfection of mind. The sadhana means to train and perfect the crude mind. As far as siddhis go, there are 8 major ones which a sadhaka has to master before he is called a siddha. It takes 12 years of meditation or sadhana to become a siddhi or to become a siddha purush. So the 8 types are Anima. Anima is the ability to become as small as an atom. Laghima is the ability to become weightless. Mahima, the ability to become as large as the universe. Garima, the ability to become heavy. Prapti, the ability to reach any place. Prakamya, the ability to stay underwater and to maintain the body and youth. Vashishtva, control over all objects, organic and inorganic. And Ishatva is the capacity to create and destroy at will. We learn about the Matha. Matha is the hermitage where a Hatha Yoga practice. It is a place of practice. So, how should be hermitage be? The length, it should be the length of a bow, that is 1.5 meters. It should have small door without aperture, holes or cracks, neither too high or not too low, where there is no hazard from rocks, fire or water, well administered and virtuous kingdom, where good alms can be easily attained, spotlessly clean, wiped with cow manure and free from animals or insects, pleasant appearance, outside open platform with the attached roof, a well and surrounded wall or a fence. Let us learn about the Sadhak and the Badak Tattva. So, Sadhak Tattva is Utsaha Sahasa Dhairyat Tattva Jnanasya Nishchayat. Utsaha means enthusiasm, Sahasa means courage, Dhairya, perseverance, Tattva Jnana, discrimination, Nishchay, unshakable faith, and Janasankhya Parityaga, that is abandoning public contact. These are the 6 Sadhak Tattva. And Badak Tattva are Atya Aharaha Prayasasya Prajalpo Niyamagraha Janasangha Laulyam. So, Atya Ahara means overeating, Prayasa, overexertion, Prajalpa, that is talkativeness, Niyamagraha, adhering to rules, and public contact, Janasangha Laulyam, that is public contact, and unsteadiness, wavering mind. So, these are Sadhak and Badak Tattvas. Okay, so after the Sadhak and Badak Tattvas, we will go to the rules of conduct. Yama and Niyama. Yama are 10 rules of conduct, whereas Niyama are 10 rules of self-observance. So, Yama are Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Kshama, Daya, Ajavam, Mita, Ahara, Saucha. Ahimsa, that is non-violence, Satya, truth, Asteyam, non-stealing, Brahmacharya, continence, Kshama, that is forgiveness, then endurance, Daya, compassion, Ajavam, humility, Mita, Ahara, that is moderate diet, and Saucha, cleanliness. And then Niyama, Tapa, Santosha, Astikyam, Danam, Ishvara Pujana, Siddhanta Vakya Shravanam, Himmatim, Tapa, Hutam. Tapa is the Tapa, Santosha, that is patience, Astikyam, belief in God, Danam, charity, Ishvara Pujana, adoration of God, Siddhanta Vakya Shravana, hearing spiritual discourses, Him, feeling of guilt, Mati, intellect, Tapa means mantra repetition, Hutam, that is sacrifice. So we have to follow Yama and Niyama. One yogi has to follow this rules of conduct. Then what are the benefits of asanas? Stairyam arogyam cha angalaghavam. Stairyam, that is steadiness of body and mind. Arogyam, diseaselessness. Angalaghavam, lightness of the limbs. In Hatha Yoga Pradipika, first asana described is the Swastika asana. Last asana is Bhadrasana. Then 4 asanas, best 4 asanas are Siddhasana, Padmasana, Sinhasana and Bhadrasana. Hatha Yoga Pradipika best asana is the Siddhasana, or it is also known as Vajrasana, Muktasana and Guptasana. Best Kumbhaka is Kevala Kumbhaka. Best Mudra is Khechari Mudra. Best Bandha is Uddiyana Bandha. And best Laya is Nadalaya. Thank you. We'll continue in the next series.